What's the meaning of chimney pot? Chimney pot. Chimney pot.
Chimney pot. Chimney pot. A chimney pot is a ceramic or metal pipe-like structure installed on the top of a chimney to increase draft and allow smoke, gases, and other combustion byproducts to escape safely into the atmosphere. Chimney pots come in various sizes, shapes, and materials and often have decorative designs. They also help to prevent rainwater, debris, and even birds from entering the chimney flue. Properly installed chimney pots improve the efficiency of the chimney system and ensure safe and effective ventilation, thereby reducing the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning and chimney fires.